Assistant for Government and Privilege of the Aceh Regional Secretary M. Jafar attended the inauguration of member of the Tohabut Wali Nangro Aceh Council for the period 2021 to 2026, which took place at the Wali Nangro Hall Wednesday, October 27, 2021. A total of 17 members of the assembly were sworn in and inaugurated directly by the Wali Nangro Aceh Malik Mahmud Al-Haitar. On that occasion, also conducted Pesiju and handover of the task decrees symbolically. Wali Nangro in his speech said that the institution he leads and all the instruments in it have an important role in maintaining peace and building Aceh civilizations. In addition, said Malik Mahmud, the Tohabut Assembly also has a responsibility as a driving force for the tasks and functions of the Wali Nangro institutions. He believes that all members who are given the mandate are able to carry out.